Hey everyone, here's another tutorial video of another resource that I think would be very helpful, and today it's going to be math. So starting off at our homepage, we're going to click on the math tab, and we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see Splash Math right here. So we're going to click on Splash Math, and what I'm going to first start by doing is talking about the sign-in process. So I actually already signed in, so I won't be going through the channels that they will have you go through, but I'll explain it briefly. So for parents, they're allowing you guys to sign up for free due to all the stuff that's going on right now. So you'll click on parents sign up for free, and it will bring you to this page. Now, again, I already have access to it, but you're going to need to provide your email. You're going to make a password for yourself and put parents' year of birth, and that way they verify that you're above 18 and can monitor your child's account. So what it's going to ask you when you do sign up is it's going to ask you a couple things like what's your child's name, their gender, what grade they're in, and then it's going to ask you for like what level they're at. So you can pick an option that says to catch them up, to go on ahead. You might not know. It says I don't know. And then the last option is to be at their level. And if you don't know, I would just pick at their level because it's going to kind of go over some of the stuff that we've already taught them. And it will also eventually introduce stuff that we might be at right now or we haven't introduced yet. And then following that, there's a couple other things that it's going to have you do. But let me just show you what the website looks like. So I'm going to sign in, and you'll see this page once you already have your account created. And then they want special permissions on there and whatever. But this is what the homepage is going to look like. I have my daughter signed up, so I'm going to click into hers. And I'm pretending like she's a kindergartner. So this is where it starts. For in kindergarten, we started with counting forward. So this is stuff that your child's going to breeze through, counting up to 10. Again, if you do see any difficulties, then it's worth exploring that with them. But it kind of just takes you from the basic all the way up to adding and subtracting, which we've started talking about. We've done numbers beyond 10. We've done shapes, measurement, that type of stuff. And each one of these it's kind of like set up in a game format. So your child's gonna feel like they're playing a game. And then your part is you're going to, if you switch to parent, it's cool because they actually have it set up so kids can't really recognize the numbers that they need to press to get over here. And apparently neither can I. 7, 3, 4, 0. And then this is what your site's going to look like. It's going to show you the same skills, but it's also going to generate the report, and you get to look over some of the stuff that your child's doing in their performance and things like that. There's also settings that you can change, like that your kids can't answer more than once. But the last thing I wanted to show you is over here. They have math facts games, so like number knowledge, that kind of stuff. And then they just have like regular games that kind of change things up a bit from these little activities over here. So if you have any questions, you know to reach out to me, you know where to find me. But until then, see you guys later.